Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into Wazirx.com website. To log into Wazirx.com website, first of all open up a web browser of your preference on your computer or your mobile device. Go to the URL box appearing at the top or at the bottom and type in Wazirx.com. You will soon end up in the official website for Wazirx. To log into your existing account, click on the Login button at the top right-hand corner. In the Login tab, enter your email address and then your password associated with your Wazirx account. If you don't remember your password during the process, get help by clicking on the Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions till the end. You can also use your Google or Apple accounts in order to log into Wazirx if you've previously signed up with these options. After entering your credentials correct, click on Login and you will then be able to log into your Wazirx account. So that is how you easily sign into Wazirx.com website. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.